welcome to Tech Corner. My name is Alex and today I'm going to walk you through how to go about clearing your cache in both Edge and Chrome. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Edge. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the little three dots here in the upper right hand corner. And we're going to go to Settings. And the easiest thing to do is just type in the search, just type in cache. And then from here you'll see an option that says Clear Browser Data. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. And then we're going to click on Choose what you want to clear. So you can either clear everything you want, so you can either click Browser History, your download history, cookies and other things, and cached images and files. So I recommend checking everything. And then what you can do is you can either say delete for the specific time range, or you can just select at all times. And a lot of times if you have issues with specific browser where websites aren't working for some odd reason and they were working, this is a great area to do. This is a great thing to do first to troubleshoot that before doing any more extensive troubleshooting. So once you've selected that, go ahead and click on Clear Now. And there you go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go in Chrome here really quick and do the exact same thing. It's pretty much exact same steps as it is in Edge. Instead, we're going to click on our click on here. We're going to click on the little thing here. Let me do this. Remove there. Okay. So we're going to click on the little three dots. We're going to go to Settings. Same thing here. We can either click Delete or type in Cache, and then you're going to see Delete Browser Data. We're going to go ahead and click on this. As you can kind of see, it looks pretty much the same thing as Microsoft Edge. So we're going to go ahead and click it all time, click Delete Data, and there you go. So if you like this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel or would like to support this channel, please subscribe. And if you're interested in further videos, go ahead and click on that bell notification to get alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.